Cody. You're up. There he is, having his breakfast. You ready for kindergarten, dude? Yeah, he's doing some things. He's busy looking at a map for geocaches. I think she found one on the zoo map. We'll have to take it out sometime. Okay, buddy. Keep up the good work.
School, guess what you're gonna get?
Alright, mister.
One time they sent me home from school, I had to do this and my backpack was so heavy. I was doing this.
Hey, Tristan, turn around so I can see your
Listen,
backpack.
Gabby John, your shoes aren't on yet.
I know.
Oh, that is a cool backpack. You ready to go? Tristan's ready. Cody's taking forever getting his shoes on because he's jabbering so much.
Sorry, Daddy. Hon.
Yeah. What are you doing over there taking so long?
I got no idea, Daddy. Hon. Gabby John, whatever your name is.
And then we gotta go get the babies awake. Oh, heading for the van. First day of school. I think they're ready to go. They're not holding back at all. Gotta take the babies with us.
I just gotta put it in park so the door can open.
That's why our kids stand.
Alright, gents. Here we are.
Alright,
You ready?
boys, I love you.
Scoot your seat up, William. Scoot your seat up, pal.
Automatic.
Alright, Tristan, look at me.
Backpack.
Look at me, I love you. Don't forget your backpack, crazy man. Get your backpack. He thinks I'm taking a picture. Alright, you have a good day. Head on out. Tristan first.
Welcome, guys, welcome.
Hey, pause right there, guys. Once you get down. Alright. Here comes the school bus. Ready to drop our boys off. And Alexia. There they are. Right up front. Hi, guys. Is Alexia on there? There she is. Wait up. Stay there. Yeah.